Ready, gents? Okay, let's start off from the beginning. So what is paint contamination? Paint contamination consists of bonded and embedded organic and inorganic particles that are harmful to your vehicle's paint. So guys, we're dealing with contamination now. What is contamination is very valuable for us to actually understand. So this is paint if I had to cut the defects of paint. So if I had to take clear coat, and we're going to look at clear coat right now. I just want you guys to understand this concept before we move on to anything else, and then we know what we're actually doing on paint. So take this here and just pass it around. This is 1,000 microns of clear coat. That's all that we're here for, is to work on clear coat. That is 1,000 microns of clear coat, and that equals to 1 millimeter.
Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Mohammed Khan.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Wasim Ostaizan.
Hi guys, my name is Ahmed.
Hi guys, I'm Muhammad Mudhakir Moedin.
My first day at Glossworx training was an eventful day. I learned a lot about cars, the defects, stuff that I never even knew existed.
I really had a wonderful day at the workshop today. I learned a lot of new interesting things that I would have never known otherwise unless I had come to Glossworx here today.
I learned a lot about detailing and all of that, and it's complicated, but I understand it, yeah.
I learned a lot of intriguing things on chemicals, on how it works, on your paint, and how to get contamination of the paint for today.
Our mentor, Mr. Mohammed, is, I think, the most knowledgeable person I've met with regards to bodywork on cars, and I feel that I have a lot to learn from him, and I'm looking for the next part of the training. Thank you.
Mo over there made it quite obvious and simple, which I understand it really well, and a lot goes into the detailing of the cars and everything, which is very good, yeah.
Mr. Mohammed was talking a lot about cars. Now you can see like all the defects and all the other stuff on cars, when you can see the differences between them. And overall it was a lovely experience. Knowing all the knowledge about cars and experiencing it firsthand, it was a lovely experience.
I think it was really intriguing, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow and what's to come next in the forward coming days.
That's nice. How are you doing your side? Lovely. Yeah, it fights you. You know what? It's like golf. You know, initially when you start hitting it, it feels uncomfortable and then it just becomes comfortable. It's exactly like that. It's muscle memory, that's all it is. Now move the machine forward. Now you're fighting the resistance. Can you see that? How is that? Now get used to that, that's all. Original paint. Original paint. Original paint. Original paint. So the only part in this car that was sprayed was the bonnet. Is that how you know it?
Yeah, it was hail damage.
There we go.
Hi everyone, I'm Ray Kalenga, all the way from Zambia. I came here to do the Glossworx training. It was a great experience, met a lot of people, and we've learned quite a lot. The highlight for me was the level of attention to detail. Yeah, excellent experience, and looking forward to implementing whatever we learned, and yeah, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Jaco van Rensburg. I was here this week for the detailing course that through Glossworx, and Mo was our presenter there. I can truly say that I've learned a lot during this last 3 days. A lot of information went in, and the physical work that we did, how to work everything and how everything works after each other, it really taught me a lot. And it's things that I can take back and go improve my business that I'm doing in Klerksdorp. So, great course, great presentation, and great place to work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pamandla Myeni, all the way from Nongoma, but now I'm located here at Soweto. I'm here to, I was here actually to learn about detailing and more about detailing, how to apply ceramic coating and all that. And my experience was great. I want to thank Mr. Mohammed Khan for this opportunity. I've learned a lot. Like what I can talk about is learning about polishes, different type of polishes, how to use it, and also ceramic coating, how to apply it. I had a great experience. We had 3 days here, and then I met some guys, had a great time. Thank you so much. Got a certificate.